How to verify Lovoo account. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can verify your Lovoo account. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. So open the Lovoo app. Sign in if you haven't signed in already. After you have signed in, tap on your profile in the top left corner. Now here, tap on Verify Profile. Now here, tap on Get Started. Take a piece of paper and write this down. After you have written this down, tap on Continue. Hold the piece of paper like this and tap on Continue. Make sure the code is visible clearly and your face, and capture a picture. After you have captured picture, tap on OK. Now make sure that the code you have written is clearly and your face is also visible clearly. Then tap on Upload. Now the verification is in progress. The app will notify you in some time. So this is how you can verify your Lovoo account. Thanks for watching.